How to reset Roblox profile picture. So first you have to log into your Roblox account and then you just have to go to your profile, okay? And then here you just have to simply go to another or open another tab. So as you can see, this is your profile picture, this is your Roblox. But in order to change this, you have to open a new tab here and you just have to copy this link that what I'm showing right now. So we have here GitHub, and then you just have to copy this one here. And then once you're here on the site, you just have to select all of this, okay? Control A, or you can start from below and then go to up and then copy this, okay? So once you copy this, you just need to right click and copy. You can go back to your Roblox and then just click anywhere here, for example, in this area. Go to inspect, and then you just have to click console, and then down here you just have to paste or control V. Okay, now here's the thing, you just have to go to this part, distance scale, change this into 2, and then down here thumbnail type change to 2. Okay, and then after that you just have to click enter and you can see that it is successful. If you see this one, success, true. Now what you're going to do is to X this one, okay, exit and then refresh, and you will see that it has reset your Roblox profile picture. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.